Hi, welcome back to the Joy of Trucking. I'm Kevin, solo OTR driver. Just looking at some things here I wanted to share with you. At Werner, we have a job ID number for every load that we do. It's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 numbers, whatever. And then at the end is a suffix, 2 letters, which tell you a little bit about the expectations for the load. In other words, how critical it is to be on time. When you get the load, it tells you the address, where you're picking up, what the appointment time is, when you're supposed to be there to pick up. Then it tells you for the delivery address. Next to that, it'll say how many miles away it is and the appointment time for the delivery. And sometimes it's a wide window, like today at 9 o'clock until tomorrow at noon or something like that. And sometimes it's a very specific time. And if it's a live unload, it's very important you get there on time, because in some places, like at a store, they'll have people standing there waiting to unload you. You don't want to be late. So look at that suffix at the end of the load ID number. There'll be 2 letters, and this is from the driver handbook. And I'll show you the little chart they have there, and I can tell you what they say. So the top one is JT, just in time, and that means 100% expectation for on-time delivery. You better not be late. CW, customer watch, 99% customer expectation, so they really want it there on time. The load that we just brought here was a live unload at a store. There were people waiting for it. It was for 8 a.m. this morning. That was a CW load. Very important to be on time because people are waiting on you. HS, high service, 96% customer expectation on time. And HE is high service and high value. And that's a load where you've got some really valuable stuff in the trailer. So not only a 96% expectation to be on time, but also it's a secure load. You want to make sure that you don't talk to anybody about what's in the trailer, where you're stopping for the night. Make sure it's sealed, maybe put your padlock on it, and wherever you stay, make sure it's well lit in a secure area. Don't be in some dark back alley someplace and you go to sleep and you wake up the next morning and all the goods are gone, you know what I mean? That's a high value load. That's an HE. And then you got LQ, loads that have liquor or freezable liquids. It's important to know that. AL, general freight, not limited to broker, contract freight. All right. And RC is just trailer repositioning. Like, we got to take this empty trailer and take it to a distribution center so they can load it. So they just want me to deliver the trailer. MT, truck repositioning. We want our tractor to be from point A to point B to pick up a load. We're just moving the tractor. So that's the designations for the Trip Suffix. So think about that next time you get a load. If you're driving for Werner, look at those last 2 letters and it'll tell you how urgent it is to be on time. And think about that in your trip planning, because maybe you can't make that appointment on time. You better let your fleet manager know, and that sort of thing. Okay? All right, give it a thumbs up. Hope you learned something. Comments below. I'd like to hear what you think of that, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.